All right, so this is, we'll do 5 first. This is a population of values as a normal distribution with mu 111.6, sigma 15.6. You intend to draw a random sample of size 170. Find the probability that a single randomly selected value is less than 114. So even though it says sample up here, there's no sample when talking about this problem. So we're just going to use mu of 111.6 and sigma of 15.6. So basically, what it wants is for you to figure out the area under this normal curve. So we have our curve here. Right in the middle, we have our mu, 111.6. They want us to find the probability that a randomly selected value is less than 114. Here's 111.6, so 114 will be somewhere here. So we're looking for this area. So I'm just going to go in my calculator. Second distributions, I'm going to do normal CDF. So the lower bound here is this number all the way out, but since it never ends, we're just going to put in a really negative number. I'll just do a negative 100,000. The upper bound is going to be 114. My mu is 111.6. And my sigma is just going to be 15.6. And we enter again. So we get 0.5611. Looks like you might have had the opposite. Maybe you did flip the reverse or something. I'm not really sure. Same exact process. We're not going to change anything except now for this one, since it's a sample, we're going to use sigma equaling our sigma 15.6 divided by the square root of the sample size, which is 170. So I can just go back into that distribution and just change sigma to 15.6 divided by the square root of 170. So I get a value of 0.9776. Okay, there's that one. And this is a combined SAT scores for students at a local high school are normally distributed with a mean of 1503, standard deviation of 296. Local college includes a minimum score of 1710 in its admission requirements. What percentage of students from the school earn scores that fail to satisfy? So I think you found what percentage of students get higher than this score, because I believe the answer here is just going to be 75.8. But let's just run through it. Same thing. We're going to do our Z2 or normal curve. Draw my curve. Mean is 1503. We're looking for how many students scored less than 1710. This percentage. All right. Nothing about a sample. So we just plug it in. Our lower limit, it's still super negative. Upper limit's going to be 1710. The mean is 1503 with a standard deviation of 296. So we got 0.7578 or 75.8. I think you might have found this area by accident.